Hey, it's Josh from the Jestic Culinary Team. We are going to look at some Henny Penny MPC bins. We're just going to talk a little bit how you can set them up when you get them out the box, ready for service. We're going to use the on-off button on the front of the bin, and we're going to hold down the P for program, as we turn it on. And that will load up our special programming. It will ask us for our code. Henny Penny's top secret code for this is 1. We use the arrows to adjust the number we're currently looking at. And then we're going to use P to scroll to the next one. 2 is the next number. 3 is the third number. And you guessed it, 4 is the final number. And we press P, and then we get the options in the background settings there. So temperature format, Celsius or Fahrenheit. We're going to scroll through the options using the P. We're going to adjust the options using the up and down. So temperature format, some of the other ones that you will change. The third option in there will ask us for how many, what the unit is. This is a large 1 unit. That's what the 1L stands for. If we had a 2x2 unit, we'd need to adjust this so it's a 2x2. Again, we're going up and down in the options here until it says the correct one for the bin. It should go out correct out the packet, but worth checking. That then gives us the option to then just adjust the temperature. So we've got this set up for a 2.2. It will give us the option to adjust the top and bottom temperatures here. This is a 1 level unit, so we've only got options for the 1 temperature here. So up and down arrows until it's at your desired temperature, and then P to go through. And those are the 3 settings that you're going to need out the box to get this unit set up. Once we're happy with that, on-off button, they'll now be saved in the background. And we know the unit's going to be at the correct temperature when the light next to the power button goes from yellow to green. Green to indicate we're ready to go. Any QSR questions, we're down here in Paddock Wood, we're up north in Manchester. Get in touch using info@jestic.co.uk.